What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is JK Flash, and today we're going to talk about cheap lighting rigs. What happened was, I was on a shoot with Luke Curtis and we were moving around different locations with loads of different lighting gear. And then on the second day, I was running a bit more lighter because we were so struggling that day with all the gear. I decided to do is come up with a cunning plan of how to rig a light setup but without having so many lights. So basically what we came up with that little idea. If you're watching this channel, you're probably a videographer, photographer, or someone interested in this, and you probably all have a LED panel light. I reckon 80% of you will have a small LED panel light. I came up with a cunning plan, so you can get a cheap light stand. I've got like 5 or 6 of these cheap light stands, and then I found a little tiny adapter on eBay. It literally was £3. So this is just like a little adapter that goes on top of your camera. You can add a hot shoe to it and a light umbrella. So I thought, okay, I've got an umbrella somewhere. So I searched my loft, my garage, everywhere. I was looking around for this stupid umbrella. So I found 2 of my little light umbrellas, and these are quite cheap. I'm hoping some of you guys have these laying around somewhere. But if not, I think you can purchase them quite cheap. However, I did find a really cheap light. A really cheap light box, like a soft box, a really cheap version, and the link will be in the description below. And this is the actual item. Okay, so I would show you that, but it's not actually arrived yet. So I've been waiting for this to arrive for ages. The lighting is a bit different today, so I'm actually using that cheap light setup right this second now. So I'm actually going to pull my phone out and take a picture so you can see that I'm actually using this as part of it. So I'm going to go video, I'm not going to lie, here it is. I'm using it now to light me now. So the only thing is, the only issue is it's not a very strong light source, and I know a lot of people who know about lighting will say, James, but the LED panel lights are already got the basically like a very strong power source, but they do make you like, oh, like when you turn them on full power, like now I've got 100%, got a little diffuse umbrella in there, and it works absolutely fantastic. So we actually use this in the field, and yeah, you have to put the umbrella and the actual stand quite close to the subject. But as long as you've got it just out of shot, it works. And it was so easy to move around with. Literally, you just take the umbrella out, collapse the stand. You can even leave the light on top, walk around, and you are good to go. It's a lot lighter than carrying around a massive big light source. Just wanted to show you guys that you can do this stuff, and it does look professional. So I was on a very good corporate shoot, and not one person thought of anything. All the actual producer said to me was, James, oh, that light is actually quite nice. It's a lot lighter than last week, isn't it? And I was just like, yeah. So that's the whole reason why we came up with this concept. So I thought I'd show you guys something that we created, and hopefully you guys already knew this. If you do this, like, to say in the comments below, say, look, James, we've been doing that for years. So that's it. So I'll put all the links to all the parts in the description below. Please like, subscribe, comment. And I'm JK Flash, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm out of here. And I'm really sorry I missed Wednesday upload, but Wednesday will be coming. I've got a good little video. If you're a Blackmagic Pocket user, or a Zcam user, or any sort of camera that can take a external source, then I've got an idea, a really cheap idea for you. So I'm JK Flash, I'll see you Wednesday.